guys, Miss Rose here. Sorry, I actually intended to be in the yellow outfit yesterday while doing this video, but circumstances didn't accompany that desire, so you get Crazy Cat Lady for all eternity when you watch this video now, so get fired up. On Wednesday next week, we are going to have our college fair. Now, I know as freshmen and sophomores, you might be thinking, college, man, I don't even know what I'm doing, 5 minutes from now, okay, until the teacher tells me to. So, we totally get that you might not be sure, might have an idea or maybe multiple ideas of what your future may hold for you, and that's awesome. Also, we want you to think when we say college fair, we're not just talking about four-year college students. We are talking about all possibilities of post-secondary education. So this could be getting certificates, this could be doing trade school training, this could be apprenticeship training, this could be 2-year associate's degrees, 4-year training, any type of post-secondary education that you are looking to have. We are going to have representatives that meet all of those various needs available at our college fair next Wednesday. So it's an opportunity for everyone to get involved, ask some questions. The goal is that you are engaging in informed decision making, that you're making decisions because you have lots of information that helps you make the best decision that is right for you and your future. So our goal for freshmen and sophomores is really to just dip your toes in the college fair, start to make some of those connections with different types of options, get some information, and just begin to think about what could my possibilities be in my future. And to help you with that, we have this college fair activity or sheet that you're going to take around with you on Wednesday. You will be given this sheet on Wednesday in your seminar. So after second period, you're going to go to your seminar and you're going to re-get this sheet. Your teachers might re-show you this video. So I don't know, but you are going to have some options of at least have some direction of what you should be doing during the college fair. So your goal is going to be to find 4 colleges, universities, training programs, etc. that are there today. We're going to have over 50 different institutions available for you to speak to. So you should have no issues finding 4. You're going to interview, talk to the professional that is representing that college or university, and record your answers on the sheet below. So you're going to write down the name of the institution, where are they located, okay, what's the city, write down some descriptors that maybe strike you when you're talking to that college or university that you think are things that you're going to remember, maybe sets them out from others. What are the admission requirements? Are they general? Are they more intensive? Are they less intensive? Do you think you're going to meet those needs? What programs does the school offer you that you might be interested in? So if you don't have an idea about what you're interested in, look at their program course of studies. They should have lists of different possible majors. Are any of those interesting to you? Are any of them not interesting to you? Okay, it is just as important to know what you don't want to do as it is to know what you do want to do, okay? So then we have a list of questions on the back. I'll get to that. You're going to look at one or more of those questions and answer that in this column, and then just a quick self-reflection. It's always good to do a quick reflection when you're in the moment, because when you go back to it after a couple days, you might completely forget what your final thoughts were of that, so it's important just to write, a quick, oh, this is good because of this, or not that interesting because of this. If you're thinking, I have no idea what questions to ask, Ms. Rose, don't you worry, we have you covered. The Boltster and I made this list of questions a few years ago that might be good questions to ask. So take a little look-ski through here. And if you want to ask more than one question, you know, maybe highlight some that strike you as questions you want to ask or things you want to know about. Just because we have these columns up here doesn't mean you can't ask more questions. You know, it doesn't mean you're limited to that. That's just a starting point. We really want you to carry the conversation with your curiosities, your interests. And if you have any other questions in your seminar, you know, that aren't listed here, write those down. Here, you have extra space to add your own questions. So just a place to get you started. Don't be afraid. It is their job to talk to you. If you have questions, you go up and ask their question. Ask your questions, okay? It is what they are there for. Is to give you some of that information. If you want to schedule a follow-up with your school counselor after having done all of these tours and asked these questions, please do so. Email your school counselor. If you don't know, email both Miss Bolts and myself, and we will, the person who is your counselor will reply back and set something up with you, okay? If you have any additional questions, you know, the adult that's with you right now has graduated college. They have probably lots of firsthand experience about what that process might look like, and be able to answer various questions from their life experience. But please ask. We would rather you ask than not. So have fun, have some conversations, step out of your comfort zone, and learn a little bit of the possibilities that your future might present you.